In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Huntington Bank app when it's not working as expected. If you've ever experienced issues with an app, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when it's a tool you rely on for managing your finances. So let's dive into some basic troubleshooting steps that might just get your app back to working smoothly. First up, check your internet connection. This might seem obvious, but it's a common culprit when you're experiencing app issues. Make sure your device is connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're seeing no internet error messages when trying to use the app, that could very well be the root of the problem. Simply switching to a more stable connection can often resolve these issues. If internet connectivity isn't the issue, the next step is to restart both the app and your device. For the app, you can force close it by swiping it away from your recent apps list and then try reopening it. Sometimes that alone can tackle glitches. If the issue persists, take it a step further by rebooting your phone entirely. This helps clear any temporary bugs or memory clogs that could be causing interference. Another critical step: make sure your app is up to date. Apps often release updates to fix known bugs, so head over to the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play if you're on Android and see if there are any updates available for the Huntington Bank app. Downloading the latest version might be all you need to resolve the problem. If you're still experiencing issues on an Android phone, it may help to clear the app's cache or data. Head into your device settings, then go to Apps, locate the Huntington app, navigate to Storage, and from there, you have the option to clear the cache and, if necessary, clear data. This removes any corrupted files that could be lurking within the app. Keep in mind, clearing data will reset the app, so you'll need to log back in after doing this. For iPhone users, the equivalent step would be to delete and reinstall the app. By doing this, you ensure that any residual corrupted files are removed, offering you a clean start with a freshly downloaded version of the app. And there you have it. These basic troubleshooting steps should help you resolve any minor issues you're facing with the Huntington Bank app by ensuring a reliable internet connection, restarting the app and device, updating to the latest version, and clearing unnecessary app files. You're giving yourself the best chance at maintaining a smoothly running app. As always, if these steps don't solve the issue, consider reaching out to customer support for more personalized assistance. Happy banking, and thanks for watching. And